thinking about installing an electric vehicle charger at home? Before you get started, it's important to make sure your electrical panel can handle the extra demand. Level 2 EV chargers require much more power than standard outlets, and most older homes with 100-amp panels just aren't up to the task. Upgrading to a 200-amp panel ensures your system can safely support your EV charger and other high-demand appliances, while also preparing your home for future technology. Although the upgrade costs between $1,500 and $3,000, it's a smart investment for safety, efficiency, and peace of mind. Have questions? Contact Copperfield Electric today.